Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In our previous class, we had completed 7 lessons, and inshallah, our previous lesson was madda letters, in which we were to elongate sounds of any letter having fatha, kasra, or dhamma. And after Fataha, there was Alif, so it was stretched. After Kasra, there was no Ya Sakina, or after Dhamma, there was Vav Sakina. Now, inshallah, we are going to do the same, but in a different way. I mean, signs will not be there, like Alif will not be there, Wow will not be there, and Ya Sakina will not be there. Still, we will be stretching some of the letters. How? I'm gonna show you, inshallah. This is like eighth chapter out of Madani Qaida. I'm gonna share my screen. Okay, this is called vertical harakat. Okay, vertical. Somebody call it standing fatha, and some, well, globally they call it alif saghira, ya saghira, or waw saghira. Because we got two kind of mushaf signs, the Holy Quran, when it is written or printed into book shape. So in subcontinent, Pakistan and India, they give harakat. They don't give alif saghira. They give a vertical fatha, like a sign. If I can show you, like you can see at the screen, this is vertical fatha. Okay, and when kasra, this is vertical kasra. This is beneath. This is above. And this is vertical dhamma. As you heard about it, it was round before. Okay. In Urdu or in Hindi, they say ulta, khada zabar, khadi zer, or like ulta pesh, inverted dhamma. And khada zabar means standing fatha, khada zer means standing kasra, because this is like vertically, like it is standing, it is not like laying. And also ulta pesh means, before we heard of dhamma, that was round shape, but now that have become like upside down, that has become like upside down, so this is called ulta pesh. Ulta pesh means inverted dhamma. So inshallah we are, but function is the same, only to stretch the letters. Okay, but here you can see. So ta, before that we have experienced of, if it had like fatha, it was read ta fatha zabar, ta fatha ta, and ta kasra zir, ta kasra ti, and ta dhamma tu. I mean, if I used global term, ta fatha ta, ta kasra ti, ta dhamma tu. I am talking about what we have learned earlier, okay? Not about this chapter. And if I use the term of subcontinent Pakistan, India, they were saying ta zabar ta zirti, ta peshtu, ta titu. But here in this chapter, those harakat have changed the shapes, and also function has changed. So fatha has become standing fatha, kasra has become standing kasra beneath, and dhamma has become inverted dhamma. And function is same as madda letters used to do. Now I will read. We will read it like this: ta standing fatha, ta, ta standing kasra, ti, ta inverted dhamma, tu, ta, ti, tu. So we have to stretch it like two or three harakat. If there were like two sounds, like elongation or length, like two fatha. If we are reading a letter with one fatha, and we stretched its sound, like with another fatha. So ta, ti, tu. So goes with ta standing fatha, ta, no, ta standing fatha, ta standing kasra, tui, ta inverted dhamma, tu, ta, tui, tu, za standing fatha, za standing kasra, zi, za standing or like inverted dhamma, zu, za, zi, zu. So I am spelling them out. When I say za standing fatha, za standing kasra, I am spelling them out, breaking them down. And if we read it with consistency, with I mean constantly, so we will not break them down. We will not spell them out. We will only say za, zi, zu, za, zui, zo, sa, si, so. So, in order to make this video short, I am not spelling all these letters out. So you, if you want, or if you are required from your teacher to spell them out, you can do that. But in order to make this video shorter, I am reading them constantly, and I have let it be to you, to your decision if you want to spell the entire chapter out or not. Sa, si, su, so, sui, su, da, di, do, da, di, do, ka, ki, ku, ka, ki, ku, ha, he, hu, ha, he, hu, a, e, u. These both letters, there's a minus sign between them in red color. It means whether this shape is written with standing fatha, this alif, or hamza is written with like standing fatha. Sound will be same. A, e, u, a, ri, ru, ha, hi, ho, ra, ri, ro, ba, bi, bu, ma, mi, mu, wa, wi, wu, fa, fi, fu, la, di, do, na, ni, no, ra, ri, ru, ja, ji, ju, sha, shi, shu, ya, yi, you. So this is our like eighth chapter. We have completed it. Inshallah, we'll see you again in ninth chapter. Inshallah. Uh, take care of you, yours as well as your family. Stay blessed and happy, healthy. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.